Good job, Mr. Bubbles. Excellent work. Whoa, buddy boy. Come on. Come on over here. Oh, Bubbles. No, dude, no. Bubbles, no. This is why I have you on leash. Sometimes you need a little bit of leash. Oh? Hey. I tell you. Right? She's like, get up out of my business. What are you doing up in here? Yeah. Everybody on earth has got that attitude for sure. Just get out of my face, please. Just get out and see. Oh. I don't know. The cracks in the fabric of reality. The cracks in the fabric of reality. Yeah. Yeah, now. Just like time-traveling, dwarfing schmunge girls. I mean, dude, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Neither does Mr. Bubs. He's my psychiatrist, and he's telling me, just be cool, like pee on everything. Okay. I guess that's good advice for a psychiatrist. You could have given me a prescription for Adderall. That would have helped. No, I guess so. Go ahead. Well, who am I to say that a muffin should be wasted? Anyway, right? I mean, come on. Sometimes muffins rock. So, anyway, well, I don't know. It's this weird. It's a weird day where perspective is like everything. And I'm like, perspective is everything. It really is. It's like, you know what I mean? We all have our point of view. And that's why we have our First Amendment rights. And that's why we should celebrate our First Amendment rights and share our experience. You know what I mean? Like saying like, what's up, dude? Yeah. How are you today? That kind of shit. Yeah, no, it's not that hard. And like, wow, dude. Like, if we did that, just like actually wondered how everybody was doing. Just that little spark of empathy and compassion. You would just not even believe how that could just like vibe the world's love vibes up. Like so good, so nice, so quick. You would just be like, wow, we could just be all like loving each other instead of all this war and nonsense. Are you kidding me? Oh, I love you. Oh my God. So, I love you too. And you know what I mean? It's just not that hard. It's not that hard. Mr. Bubbles knows. You just like, you get the kibbles. You just get the kibbles and sometimes you do what nature intended you to do, and you make it through all the madness, and you end up somewhere doing something with yourself that might actually be appreciated. You know what I mean? Every once in a while, somebody does something that's pretty freaking cool. I tell you. I look at spots and I go, we could have a lot of people hang out here and we could do something neat. I'm just like in hero, thinking about my options and wondering who do I got to talk to throw a comedy show. Like, yeah. It's going to be like a game show where we win the whatever piece of the pie we have, right? I'm like, I want to win a piece of the pie by being the funniest comedian ever tonight. And, I don't know how. We got to use democracy to figure that out. So it's just like pretty much showing how democracy is natural, and that wall definitely does not look natural. Stuff like that. I'm doing, like there's no internet, so I'm recording this today instead of doing a live video. This is what you get, this is recording. I'm holding my phone going like, holy goddamn motherfucker. Mother of love, this is just. I mean, dude, Bubbles. He scored like muffins and some kind of like bread. Like he's eating a sandwich over here. I'm just saying, like, Hawaii, thank you. We love you. This is amazing. What a life. What a life. Oh, yeah. I mean, dude, I'm getting sprinkled on. You see how it's, like, raining just a little bit? Feels very nice, very nice. So, anyway, there's people surfing out there, dude. Right? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. There's, I hope you're having a better day than me. I'm having a pretty good day. I went to church and blew the pastor's mind, dude. He was just like, whoa, that's going to give me a lot to think about. Wow. I love that. That effect I have on people. They're just like, that is a lot of connections, and you are absolutely right. That is wild as can be. So, anyway, yeah, baby, everything is time scripted. What does that mean? We're having what, a free speech rally? We're having a free speech rally in Hilo. Yes. Free speech rally. Oh wait, we can't call it a rally. We have to call it a comedy event. It's a comedy event. Yeah. Don't want people showing up and being all like wanting to party and stuff. Well, I mean, I guess we probably should throw a DJ in there afterwards anyway, just to make sure that this isn't confused for something like political or whatever. We don't want to be like political after being so many like because nothing really, why go there, right? Why should we do? But like, why should we? You know what I mean? Why should we be so concerned? We're just on an island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. No big deal. None of that nonsense could affect us at all, could it? Maybe it's happening right now. Maybe all this honking. Uh-oh. Is New World Order here? Oh, shit. I think that's what they mean. They think They're like, everybody, no more fun, New World Order. No more fun, New World Order. Wow. It's a symphony of horns. It's a symphony of horns saying what again? I don't know. Yeah, dude. Oh wait, were we this way? I can't remember. Were we this way? I think we were this way. Yeah, dude. Well. Didn't mean to interrupt what you were doing. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, my God. We just, right? We gotta spread the light. Shine some love on everything you see. Shine some love. Whoa, Bubbles, come on, quit pulling. Bobby, whoa. This is my cameraman. I've got my cameraman on my left, on my left, on my left. Dude, this is weirdness. There's honking. There's honking going on. What does it mean? Is it like some kind of day? Is it a holiday? Is it... One of my cameras has a foggy mirror. What's going on here? What the hell? Dude, do you guys see this? Are you here? Is it working? Uh-oh. Dude, and we're not getting AT&T today? We can't. What's going on? What's going on? Is the world really... Like, did the satellites just get blasted from X-ray blast, like a super huge solar eruption? Huh? Hey, Bubs. What you doing there, mister? Oh. Sorry about that. Yeah. Bubbles, dude, you need to be more gentlemanly about your camera work. All right. Whoa, dude, look at this. It's some kind of a ramp. It used to be a boat ramp or something. Dang, dude. Holy crud. Wow, right into the Hilo Bay. What the hell? This place has probably got some crazy history. Set a time-lapse camera up for that shit, huh? Hey. Anyway. I guess we should go back to the van, eh? Because it's like too beautiful outside. I guess we should go hide. There's Verga. Run. We shall run from the Verga before doom falls upon us. Yes. Make sure to leak on all of it. We could just work together and do like aquaponics. We could all just kind of like catch solar rays when they're out and, shoot like beams off of satellites and stuff. together and just give each other like internets. We could just give each other some internets and we'd be like, yeah, I'm cool. Are you cool? I'm cool. Right on. Well, that's cool. We should all fucking hang.